Of course, sir, we have all seen the large hotels that are coming up, the 5 stars that are coming up. And these are obviously important, and I've explained that they're part of a larger ecosystem. And a 5-star coming in doesn't just mean the elite will come in and the rich people will come in. When these systems come in, sir, they activate an ecosystem which starts affecting the economy as a whole. But while we do that, we also realize that homestays are maybe the best way to support our local people. And therefore, sir, 1,000 new homestays have been created in the last few years, and we are targeting to create another 3,000 homestays. So here I'll just give an example of Miss Isabel Aring. So she has a small 2-bedroom homestay in Warichora, South Karo Hills. And there are 6-room homestay, which was funded again by that PMGP program which we had earlier. Now there's no PMGP. And so you'll be happy to know that on an annual basis, once this was completed, Miss Isabel Aring is today earning 12 lakh rupees a year because of this particular homestay that has come in, sir. So therefore, it's a great way to ensure that our people, so when tourism boosts, when people come for different activities, be a concert, be a festival, or be it, for some big programs, they come and stay in these locations. When they stay in these locations, our people benefit. People like Miss Isabel Aring.